This is the 3D Viewmaster TV and movie adventure Action Force International Heroes. Dangerous mission in the Mideast. We must get a secret tape here by Friday. It's a real hot potato. Whenever Washington has a dangerous assignment, an Action Force team is selected fast. This time, Scarlett, Snake Eyes, Rock'n'Roll picked up the tape in the desert. Disguised Hawk, Clutch and Stalker awaited delivery in a small oasis cafe. There, long overdue, Hawk. I'm worried, said Stalker. Scarlett's in command. She'll come through. In the desert, Scarlett had been ambushed and injured, but lives were secondary to the delivery of the tape. You get the tape back to Hawk, Rock'n'Roll, and you, Snake Eyes, follow him to make sure he doesn't turn back for me, ordered wounded Scarlett. The border town was 10 miles away. Rock'n'Roll ran with the tape, followed by Snake Eyes for a while. Then Snake Eyes turned and went back to Scarlett, just in time. They were attacked by the enemy. Rock'n'Roll delivered the tape fast by throwing it to Hawk through the window of the cafe. Then he headed back on a cycle to help the other members of the team. Rock'n'Roll rescued Scarlett and Snake Eyes. As they left, another attack came from the air. Hawk arrived in a VAMP, BA boom. Hawk downed the plane. The team was safe and the tape was on the way to Washington with Stalker. Mission accomplished. Good job, Action Force. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. Meet the Action Force Combat Team. Picture 2. Team is chosen for dangerous Mideast mission. Picture 3. They are overdue with secret tape. Picture 4. Scarlett has been injured in desert ambush. Picture 5. Scarlett orders team to town. Picture 6. Scarlett will be left alone. Picture 7. Rock'n'Roll and Snake Eyes follow orders. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Snake Eyes goes back to Scarlett. Picture 9. Abandoned Scarlett is attacked. Picture 10. Snake Eyes returns to help. Picture 11. Rock'n'Roll delivers tape. Picture 12. He heads back to the desert. Picture 13. To help Scarlett and Snake Eyes. Picture 14. The enemy rallies its forces. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 15. Snake Eyes and Scarlett await attack. Picture 16. Enemy forces outnumber action force team. Picture 17. Rock and roll is back in time. Picture 18. The three try to leave on the cycle. Picture 19. Lone action force cycle is the target. Picture 20. Hawk comes to rescue in VAMP. Picture 21. Stalker delivers hot potato tape to US. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.